So I'm in my buddy's Mamba right here, and I have set up a virtual screen inside my virtual world so that you can get kind of a comparison of screen to VR. This virtual screen's about somewhere between 42 and 48 inches. It's a little bit smaller than my 48-inch screen on my desk, but it's very clear and readable, and it allows me a little space to show you how these things work. So I've got head tracking, and so it's a lot like TrackIR, right? Except for TrackIR is exaggerated, right? If I look this far, I would be looking at the back of my ship. And the reason I'd be looking at the back of my ship is because if I looked further than that, I can't see the monitor. But in VR, behind me is just the back of my freaking ship. Encrypted, can you throw on your, pull a weapon out. I just want you to see this class 4 that's back here. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that thing's like as big as I am. It's way bigger than I am. Like if I was standing, I don't think, well, if I stand, I'm going to be hitting the glass, but you can probably go through the glass, who cares? It's not really real. But yeah, I can see all these details. Like I can look at the back of the seat. Here, actually, here's a detail that you will never see in the non-VR version of the game. Danger. Cover will come off in case of jettison, replace if damaged. This message is on the back of your freaking seat, and you can't see it unless you get out of your seat and look at it. So screw this freaking, look at this stupid monitor. Look how small it is, like compared to the world.